Hello and welcome back. My name is Jeff Anderson. In this video we're going to see how to actually construct or put up the apparatus from the Make the Eigenvalue problem resonate with our students. Below me you see the entire apparatus that I use for in-class demonstration. This includes the frame of the apparatus that I keep in a portable bag, a box with the weights and the carts, super easy to transform, and then also the two wireframe pieces including the measuring tape that I use to mark my videos. The question that we want to know is how long does it take to go from the traveling mode into experiment mode for an in-class demonstration? Let's take a look at this together. Ready? Here we go. The frame is set up. Now we're going to hang the weights down to get the pendulums. There we have it. This thing's ready to go. This is an eigenvalue problem maker. Check it out. I can go ahead and put it in the mix mode, then normal mode 1, normal mode 2, and we're ready to go. Below in this web page you'll see a lot more about this, but I just wanted to show how long this build actually takes. The takedown is similar. The longest part of this was taking off the little wire ties for the long pendulum strings here. I like to do that so that it's nice and organized in there. But that's the whole build. Let's see, I'm not timing this right now. I'll be timing it when I make the video, so we'll see how long it takes. I think it's about 10 minutes. Thank you so much for your attention. See you in the next video.